And now we have here the outgoing Mutya ng Davao 2023, and she will be representing the Miss Universe Philippines 2024, representing Davao City, Maria Isabel Pelayo. Mabuhay ug madayaw.
Mabuhay ug madayaw! I hope everyone enjoyed the Mutya ng Davao Coronation Night.
Yes, so first of all, I know this is a tough year for you, being one of the reigning Mutya ng Davao last year. I would like to ask, how was the things, the activities that happened in the previous year surrounding every city that you will visit?
Yeah, actually it was a lot of work, but I had some fun with it. Like, I took it in a way where I was just blessed, grateful, and having fun. You know, it's the once in a lifetime opportunity, and it's just a year. A year is so short. It feels just like yesterday I was standing on this similar stage, and now I'm passing the crown to another one. So all the activities, no matter how stressful they ended up to be, it was still so much fun, and I'm so very grateful for them.
Okay, out of all the activities you had participated in the previous year, what is your most memorable, if not the most we may just say that the things that you had bonded together with your fellow court?
Can I also pick today?
Yes, you can.
You know, I mean, there are a lot. There was the Pasko Fiesta. I mean, we had a lot of events in Davao. I was not as present in Cagayawan as I was busy, but in Pasko Fiesta, we were together. In other events, welcoming delegates. We usually have, welcome delegates in the airport together. And then, but today, I think today is really when we all just stayed with each other and realized that we won't be together that same way anymore. So I think this was very precious for us, and this was that moment when we realized, oh my God, that rain was good and it has ended, and we will cherish it forever.
Okay. Right now that we had a new Mutya ng Davao for this year, what is your message to Hannah Mage Picho, the reigning Mutya ng Davao for this year?
Yes, as I mentioned a while ago in my last speech, I entrust her with being the ambassadress of the city. And in all honesty, knowing her, I just know she'll do a great job. And I'm very happy, in all honesty, that she got that crown because she went in there and she deserved it. But of course, everyone else in that stage also deserved crowns. And hey, they all had crowns in their heads already the moment they went up on the stage. But for her, I'm just really just happy, and of course it's gonna be a tough responsibility, but I know it's gonna be easy for her.
Yes. Do you have a message of gratitude to those who had supported you from the start of your journey last year up to being your Mutya, and now you're going to represent for Davao City for the Miss Universe Philippines for this year?
I'm just endlessly grateful. As I've always said, my gratitude never comes to an end. I'll never be where I am right now without those people. And to all of you, again, I'm endlessly grateful.